Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on or turn off HDR on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app and then scroll down until you are in the Display section. Within here, the top option called HDR Output allows you to enable or disable HDR for the Switch 2's own screen. If you scroll down through the TV section, there's a second HDR output option, which allows you to turn this on or off for when using a TV or monitor. You can also choose Adjust HDR to calibrate this with the images shown on screen. There may also be HDR related settings that you'll need to change on the monitor or TV itself. That's how to turn on or turn off HDR on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.